Hey Greg, so lots of fun stuff's going on. So it's called Uber Greg, and so here's your tiny little experiment now, and we replace all the trials. We replace rendered trials with what we generate later on. But just to point out here, if you notice, we have a multiple. Well, I call it a multi-experiment, as it were, between subjects. You can specify different conditions, and to cut a long story short, if you so the very first one specified here, study, that's the parent, as it were, and if you put in stuff here, x equals 21%. Then what you do is you put in I think it's over subjects equals banana, and what that'll do is it will replace whatever's there. If there's an x, it will replace it with 21, or it will just add in the 21. So it's a convenient way to make slight variations on what you're up to. I'm just going to get rid of that now though, or maybe I should keep it. I'll keep it actually and push it so you can have a look. Okay, so note these funny brackets, curly braces, I think we call them. If so, this the template, what it does is it looks for 2 or 3 curly braces and it replaces the contents with if it with what they term a view. So to start off with, here's the specs for a study. So if you notice, we have a trial here, we have a trial here, trial beneath that, and then we've got a debrief. And so ones appearing at the top will come first in the study, etc. I'll just move over. I'll show you what this looks like. Okay, so yeah, so you can see our first bit, introduction, says bonjour, bonjour, and lo and behold, it gives us bonjour, bonjour. So there's a lot of hocus pocus going on. So it's important that we have the block number increasing over trials. So there's like an assistance set of functions which help with that sort of thing. I think the easiest thing to do is for you to have a play and see if you can figure it out. But just to mention that, so we have introduction here. If we load up, if I show you my files over here, so within Sainsbury's we have templates, a new folder called templates. So introduction lines up with introduction here. Spaces don't matter. The program will figure out if it wants to replace whatever. So if we go into introduction here, you have it's pretty recognisable from the past, except that we use these curly braces. So BBBB, see that's, if you go to Uber Greg, we say BBB specified there. It's as simple as that. It just looks and replaces. And if I wanted to create stuff over trials, I would just join in the array with the over trial symbol, and likewise within the trial join it with a 3 dashes. I don't think there's anything else magical going on. Don't think so. Well, let's have a look at this. Oh, I should probably show you some of the new stuff here. So, if you're working away and you're finding it a bit frustrated, not being able to see what's going on, you can type in experiments, and that's your experiment. So you can type in experiment dot scripts dot to string, and it gives you the generated script that it's generated. So that's pretty cool. So experiment script to string. If you just do experiment script, it'll give you like a weird version of the script. But there's all sorts of other stuff you can do here that I can't quite recall at the moment. But I have to log it in some file or other. What this lets you do. Yeah, that's it really. Cool. All right, let's chat later.